Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Armin. Today, I'm going to talk about probes in COMSOL multiphysics. Probes provide the ability to capture values and plot the results at a specific line or point. There are several types of probes in COMSOL multiphysics. Boundary probe captures line results. Domain probe captures domain results. Point probe captures point results. Domain point probe provides a movable point to capture desired results at a specific location. In this video, you will learn how to use probes in simulations. Let's get started. I use the noise barrier example, which you can find and watch in the playlist. I want to investigate the sound pressure level using a probe. Right-click on Definitions and find Probe in the menu. First, I'm going to use a domain probe. There is one domain in the geometry, and it is selected automatically. In the Expression section, acoustic pressure is selected by default. Click on Update Results. Probe Table 1 shows the acoustic pressure of the domain. I need the sound pressure level, so I'll click on Replace Expression and find Total Sound Pressure from the menu. By clicking on Update Results, Probe Table 1 will display the SPL of the domain for each frequency. Probe Table 1 is updated when we click on Update Results. We can add another table by selecting New Table in the Output Table section. Now, let's select another probe. Right-click on Definitions and select Boundary Probe from the menu. All boundaries are chosen by default, so clear all boundaries and select the upper one. Write LP in the expression to generate the sound pressure level result. Click on Update Results, and the results will be shown in Probe Table 1. If I select the new table and click on Update Results, the results will be displayed in Probe Table 2. If I expand the tables in the results, we can see two tables. Let's choose Point Probe from the Definitions menu. Similar to the Boundary Probe, clear the source selection. Then, select Point 2. Change L to LP in the expression and click on Update Results. Now we can see the results in Probe Table 1. Let's try Domain Point Probe. Right-click on Definitions and select it from the menu. Enter 4 in the X-coordinate and 5 in the Y-coordinate. Then click on Update Results. A red marker has appeared in the graphics window, indicating the coordinate location. Expand Point Probe in the Model Builder and click on Point Probe Expression. Change L to LP in the expression to see sound pressure level results. We can see a plot of the SPL with respect to frequency by clicking on the Table Graph button. The results were retrieved from Table 1. Let's see the SPL of the source point by selecting this point using the point probe. Clear the selection and choose the source point. Select Probe Table 2 in the Output Table section. Now, click on Update Results. Click on Table Graph to see the results. Now there are two graphs with two tables. Each plot receives data from its respective table. Drag the table and drop it into 1D Plot Group 6. Now, we can see both results in one plot. Dataset is set to None, so no need to change it. Let's enable the legend to better distinguish the results. Click on Table 1 and check the Show Legends box. Repeat the same for Table 2. Click on Plot to display the legends. To adjust the legend's name, click on Table 1 and change the legend setting from Automatic to Manual. Enter Receiver in the box. Repeat the same steps for Table 2 and name its source. This video ends here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel.